Mommy! Horn, guys. Oh my god, look at this big tower. Nah, I'm just kidding. Nah, but though, look at this tower. Man, I used to go there with my dad when I was younger. That was good old times. Sí, sí, nos vamos a subir. Tú también. I really hope I can get back on it. And plus, I don't know if y'all heard, but see, I don't know if y'all heard, but I heard a horn. I think it's Union Pacific or something. I could be wrong though. I don't see BNSF that much, so yeah, you'd never know. Alright, I'll pause the video. Be right back. I remember this. Oh, damn it. Whoa, that's bullcrap? I don't know if that had water coming out. That thing. Well, here's the Tower of Americas. Oh, smells. Oh, gosh damn! Look at this. Well, y'all can't see, but oh yeah, yeah. Look at that, and look at this. This is what my downtown looks like. Downtown is so cool. Can't lie.
We'll be taking in the best views of beautiful city. Built in 1968 as the centerpiece of the World's Fair, Tower of the Americas, 750 feet above the sprawling Alamo City. If you take the stairs
that
up,
is so
it would be a
great.
nearly 1,000 step journey to the top.
It's the frostbite.
Views as we ascend skyway. Our first stop is House Restaurant, serving legendary steaks and seafood as guests overlook the bustling seascape below.
We're going up.
360
my other cousin.
R601 and
Yes, it's still going, goddamn.
our second and final stop
was like,
What does that say?
girls can do it.
We're about to arrive.
My boyfriend comes and tells you.
Thank you for visiting Tower of the
Okay, we're already here.
Oh, I'm about to go to the rotating for
Oh my god. There's a plane over there. Look at all of this, guys. This is all of San Antonio. Y'all guys should visit downtown. It's actually so cool. Trust me. I ain't gonna cap. I don't cap at all. Alright, we're gonna keep moving. There's some history. Like why wouldn't San Antonio have history? Like, right? Looks like hold on, man. I do believe this is I-37 North, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. Here's the Alamo Dome Stadium where I did the Monster Jam video. Oh gosh, and it's windy as hell. Oh gosh. Oh no, this one better not. This one better not take my blow out my hoodie. I still don't know what that says. If y'all have any idea what that says, just let me know, please. Looks like that whatever that train was just left a while ago. And there's the other one. I think that one is I-10 West or South. I think it's I-10 West. Yo sí di la vuelta. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, look at that. We got a train. Oh my god, no freaking way. Chiquillo, I'm dead. I don't think y'all can see it. Let's see what he's taking. Yeah, I'm not gonna see anything. Oh, it's a Union Pacific Intermodal train. Man, I can't get anything. Y'all probably can't see it. Let's see. Oh gosh, it's going all the way over there. I don't think I'm like showing the right thing. So far it's not ending. Yeah, honestly at this point. Let me see if I can get a better view here. Oh, looks like he was combined with a manifest. Huh. I think this is the first time I see a Union Pacific Intermodal / manifest here in my town. But I can't see. Is that? No. Must be tripping. Well, there's the end of the Union Pacific / manifest train. Man, I'm surprised I even caught a train. Okay, I'll pause the vid if there's another one coming, and that was looks like that's Common Street. Yeah, y'all probably aren't gonna see anything over there. Yeah. Going down.
Whether you enjoyed an extraordinary meal at Chart House, a cocktail at Bar 601, or a great view from the observation deck, we hope your experience at Tower of the Americas was unforgettable. When we reach the ground, your tower experience isn't over. Check out our Skies Over Texas 4D theater experience for a high-flying adventure over the Lone Star State, or watch a few classic movies, all shown in 4D experience. Grab a quick bite or drink at the Tower Cafe, bring home a souvenir from our expansive gift shop, and be sure to our Build-A-Bear workshop located next to the retail gift shop. Tower of the Americas and Chart House Restaurant are operating Breeze 8. Be sure to try Landry's other dining destinations at the San Antonio Riverwalk. Thanks for visiting. We hope to see you again soon.
It's gonna be the exit for y'all right over here on my side. Y'all good night, y'all take it easy.